Hey everybody, your Harley Parts guy here. We have a used takeoff Industrial Gray Denim FLHXS fuel tank. All right, so this is off of a Street Glide special. We got a couple things going on. We got a little scuff mark right here on the top. We do have the lines where the center console was. And for reference, this is a magic eraser. We got a dent right here, probably about the size of a nickel. Could probably be popped out. Other than that, the tank is in great condition, as you can see. No other major issues, no other major scratches or dents. Part number 610000281 EFC, fitment 08 to 23. Basically everything in the touring side except for the Road King and the freewheeler. Small dent, top left, like we talked. I'm asking $335 plus shipping or best offer. So if you're interested, feel free to shoot me a DM and make sure you check out my profile for a link to my eBay store for more Harley related items.